Hey guys, it's me, Jose. So we're about to go pick up Dave, who's my buddy, and he just ordered and bought the first and only 2019 Bullitt here in Germany that they sell. He actually had to enter a raffle, and I believe there was like 200 people is what he said, that all over Germany that entered into this raffle to be the ones who buy it. And his name got chosen, so we're going to go pick him up so we can get this car. What's up, guys? I got Dave here, just picked him up. We're about to head over to Ramstein, the Air Force Base, pick up his brand new 2019 Mustang Bullitt. Only one in Germany. That sun is bright. So Dave, how do you feel? You excited?
Ecstatic. Very lucky to be able to get this car. First one in Europe. So I'm ready to nurse it for the first 500 miles and take it out and have a little bit of fun with it.
Open it up a little bit like this.
Yeah.
I was spinning my tires. Woo! Supercharge on the Autobahn. Nothing better than that. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut it right there, and then we're gonna jump right back with the car. Alright guys, we made it here, and we can see it. Dave is super happy.
Out there putting some final touches on it.
There it is right there.
Is this yours, sir?
No, that's not mine. I'm over there. This is his. How you feeling?
Rock hard.
So Dave's doing a vehicle inspection just to make sure the car is good before he picks it up, which he's super happy, as you can tell. That thing is a beast. So Dave is doing the final paperwork to get his car. He's got to go to German customs to get it signed off on because it's tax-free. There's my hoopty over there. It's just a VMP supercharged hoopty. And there's the Bullitt. All right, guys, we're in the Bullitt now. We're driving over to customs. Dave's driving it. He's pretty happy. He likes it.
Ecstatic. So much power behind it. It's a big upgrade from the V6.
Oh God, anything's a big upgrade from a V6.
Hey, that thing
Unless you have an EcoBoost, and then the only upgrade in an EcoBoost is a fire extinguisher. Alright guys, we got done with customs. Customs is done. He's official, and he's letting me drive it. We're in the Bullitt. This is crazy. I'm driving the Bullitt. right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, everything that you know what to do, you know. Help us out here. You know, we're out here on this side of the world covering most of everything here on the Autobahn, and we're going to be doing a lot of track days and everything like that. So we're waiting for the weather to get warmer. I mean, Christmas is just around the corner, so we're going to enjoy that. But go ahead and like it, subscribe, share it, do whatever you do. Instagram, push that out, push it all out. Don't matter. Thanks for watching Autobahn V8s. I'm Jose, and until next time, tschüss.